The transformation agenda in Auchi Polytechnic, Auchi, Edo State, Nigeria. Auchi Polytechnic was founded in 1964 as a technical college. In 1973, it was upgraded to a full-fledged polytechnic by the then Midwest government. In 1994, the federal government took over the Polytechnic. The transformation program in Auchi Polytechnic has been achieved through TetFund intervention, capital appropriation, and internally generated revenue. On TetFund projects, physical structures. By 2008, the main campus of the Polytechnic had become so congested that it was no longer conducive for meaningful academic work. The Polytechnic took the decision to build a second campus to increase classroom and lecture facilities. Through the TetFund intervention, the institution achieved the following: the construction and furnishing of a story building housing 12 classrooms, construction and furnishing of a 100 capacity e-learning center, construction and furnishing of a 100-seater capacity lecture theater, construction and furnishing of a block of 4 classrooms with offices for architectural department, renovation and furnishing of an existing lecture theater, construction and furnishing of a 3 large classroom block with offices, ongoing construction of laboratories, workshops, and office building for the Department of Chemical Engineering, ongoing construction of a 132 office building complex, ongoing construction of a library complex annex, ongoing construction and furnishing of a block of 6 classrooms, ongoing remodeling of 21 classrooms in the School of Information and Communication Technology, ongoing construction of a 12-classroom L-shaped building. On equipment and facilities. In providing physical structures, the Polytechnic also recognizes the need to provide equipment and facilities to ensure a conducive learning environment. The Polytechnic, through TetFund, has provided provision of mechatronic equipment through Skill G, a presidential initiative for the Mechanical Engineering Department, procurement of equipment for various academic departments, science, laboratory technology, polymer technology, mineral resources, agricultural engineering, banking and finance, office technology and management, mass communication, etc. 2 100 kVA generators for the School of Environmental Studies and the bakery, reading chairs, tables, computers, mercury stabilizers, photocopiers, etc. for the library, internet facilities for the library and the 4 e-learning centers on campus, bench-top digital meters, conductivity meters, analytical balance, and bulb calorimeter for the Mineral Resources Department, photometers, topography meters, moisture analyzer, sieve shaker, and top loading balance for the Department of Civil Engineering, rotary evaporator, viscometer, high-resolution infrared photometer, etc. for the Department of Science Laboratory Technology. On academic staff development, there has been a major transformation in the area of staff development, especially as it relates to academic staff. At 2008, Staff proficiency in ICT use was 5%. At 2013, the Polytechnic has achieved 85% proficiency and capacity in the use of ICT, with 80% of staff owning their laptop computers. At 2008, the total number of doctorate degree holders in the Polytechnic was 4. Through TetFund academic staff training and development, the Polytechnic now has 15 doctorate degree holders and is currently training another 84 in Nigerian universities. The total number of staff currently on the master's degree programs stand at 135. Of this number, 15 are being trained in universities in Malaysia, the United Kingdom, and South Africa. On research, staff of the Polytechnic have successfully executed 5 beneficial research programs. These are development of water resources potentials for the Idogo campus, leading to the uninterrupted supply of water to the campus. Construction of a crucible furnace, development of a biogas system, design and construction of a solar-powered refrigerator for farm use, pedagogical training for academic staff, leading to the enhancement of their teaching skills. A total of 130 staff have benefited from international academic conferences to the United States of America, United Kingdom, South Africa, Senegal, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Thailand, United Arab Emirates, and Ghana, while 3 volumes of the Journal of Arts, Management Science and Technology have been produced. Capital appropriation projects. On physical structures. Between 2008 and now, the Polytechnic has, through capital appropriation, accomplished the following: renovation of 10 abandoned story buildings converted to offices, completion of 2 blocks of 4 classrooms each, construction of workshop, laboratory, and office building for Mineral Resources Engineering Department, construction of workshop and studios for Fashion Design and Clothing Departments, extension of perimeter fence to secure the Polytechnic land space, reconstruction of 3 main gates to enhance security on campus, completion of the main library extension building, ongoing construction of the main administrative building. On equipment and facilities. In providing physical structures, the Polytechnic also recognizes the need to provide equipment and facilities to ensure a conducive learning environment. To this end, the Polytechnic, through capital intervention, has provided teaching and laboratory equipment for the departments of Chemical Engineering, Food Technology, Fashion and Clothing Technology, Mineral Resources Technology, Ceramics and Glass Technology, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Civil Engineering, etc. On erosion control. Auchi is prone to gully erosion. The Polytechnic is not exempt from this. The recent pace of development in the institution opens it up for gully erosion. The Polytechnic's response has been to build drainages along asphalted roads and surface dressed roads, and the planting of trees in open terraces. This has helped to ameliorate the problem. Ultimately, a master plan of erosion control is what the Polytechnic requires, as captured in the needs assessments of the Polytechnic. Internally generated revenue projects. On physical structures. Through the internally generated revenue, The Polytechnic has achieved the following: completion of a story building block of 6 classrooms, completion of a bakery building containing oven, fermentation room, mixing room, and eatery, completion of a block of 3 laboratories for the Department of Food Technology, completion and furnishing a block of offices for the Management Information System, completion of office complex and 7 workshops for the Center for Entrepreneurial Development, renovation of laboratories for the Department of Science Laboratory Technology, construction of toilet facilities, renovation of 10 bungalows and 10 boys' quarters converted to offices and furnished, renovation and furnishing of FM radio station, road resurfacing, ongoing construction of Rector's Lodge, ongoing construction of a shopping complex. On equipment and facilities, provision of classroom benches, office chairs and tables, provision of a firefighting equipment, provision of a 250 kVA cart and 100 kVA generators for the administrative blocks 1 and 2, 100 kVA for the Cottage Hospital, Library, and the School of Arts and Industrial Design. In addition, the Polytechnic has 4 e-learning centers with a total seating capacity of 600 with computers and internet facilities. Because of the challenge of public power supply, the Polytechnic provided a total of 4 500 kVA generators to serve its 2 campuses and 2 200 kVA generators dedicated to power the 3 boreholes sunk to provide uninterrupted supply of water to the hostel complex and campus. On program development, a total of 63 programs run in the Polytechnic, all enjoying accreditation status. The departments of Chemical Engineering, Mineral Resources Technology, Architectural Technology, Ceramics and Glass Technology are recently introduced programs designed to tap from locally available resources in the location of the institution to enhance overall national development. Impact on the institution. The emphasis on these areas of transformation has impacted positively as follows. The main campus of the Polytechnic has been decongested. Provision of adequate number of classroom and lecture theaters has enhanced the learning environment. Provision of equipment and facilities has ensured acquisition of practical skills by students and improved their learning experience. The skills of lecturers to teach the students better has improved. The capacity of staff and students to have access to research materials and conduct research has been enhanced. A better welfare on campus by the availability of adequate power and water supply has been created. An enabling work environment for increased productivity has been created. Adequate security of lives and properties has been enhanced. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for listening.